I'm not gonna waste more time. Here's a no BS guide on becoming more attractive. Let's begin. Step 1, fix eye area. If you have hair in this part, go shave it now, bro. You can go from a 5 to a 6 in 5 seconds if you shave that, bro. After that, apply castor oil and rosemary before sleep. And to speed things up, I'll link the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash Brow Serum in the description. But eyebrows alone won't save you if your eyes look dead. Dark circles will ruin your whole face no matter what else you fix. And sometimes it's genetics. But don't worry, I'll tell you how to make it less obvious. The biggest factor here is to sleep 8 to 9 hours. And the most important thing is to sleep and wake up at the same time every single day. I'm not gonna tell you the exact time because I'm not you. Just find a schedule that works and stick with it. And start drinking at least 2 liters of water daily. Apply vitamin E before bed. And in the morning, put ice directly under your eyes. And the last detail, control your facial expressions. Don't raise your eyebrows all the time. Keep your face relaxed and slightly squint your eyes. Feels weird at first, but it becomes natural. Step 2, boosting IGF-1. Wait, bro, what even is IGF-1? Listen, IGF-1 is basically the growth factor in your body. It builds more bone mass in your face, makes you taller, and straight up improves your overall glow up. So how do I boost IGF-1, bro? Don't worry, I got you. To boost IGF-1, you need to drink a lot of milk. Not 1 glass once a week, I'm talking daily. Milk naturally spikes IGF-1 level. Now, another thing you can do is use colostrum. Think of it as milk, but on steroids. It's loaded with growth factors your body normally doesn't get. After that, you could take zinc. If you're low on zinc, your testosterone and IGF-1 are both taking a hit. Most guys are deficient without even realizing it. Step 3, coloring. Coloring will make you stand out because most guys have pale skin and look like they only come out of their basement once in a while. So the first thing you can do to fix this is get real sunlight. Go outside. I'm not talking about sitting by a window or touching grass for 5 minutes. You need at least 1 hour of direct sunlight. That's how your skin builds contrast and actually looks alive. And you need to wear sunscreen so you don't end up looking like a lobster. The second thing you can do is to fix your teeth. Because what's the point of a good tan if your smile ruins it? So I recommend you to get an electric toothbrush and whitening strips. It's simple as that, bro. Step 4, charisma. Charisma isn't about being nonchalant or pretending you don't care. That's not confidence. That's just a defense mechanism. Real charisma is when people actually feel something when they're around you. Don't hold back. Something's funny, laugh. If you've got something to say it. You know what people care about more than anything? Themselves. And if you can make someone feel truly seen by asking the kind of questions that go deeper than, what do? You instantly stand out. Because at the end of the day, people don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel.